Hello, welcome to the pool room. Things have been they haven't been going so well in here. I have this pet behind me. I just got it recently. I love the reset switch. It's a beautiful thing. Anyway, I was getting ready to do some disk drive testing, and everything was fine, and everything was dandy. On occasion, there was a connection issue between the pet and the monitor. The monitor would not shut off, it would just lose the signal. And I tried a couple things, but it didn't seem like anything. Anyway, I was going to dig into it more. I was going to consult with Rudy. And I don't really think this had anything to do with it. But anyway, as I was just getting ready to get into it, I started to hear this buzzing noise. Very loud buzzing noise. I thought, what is that? And then smoke appeared. I said, oh, that's not good. So I shut everything off and was able to determine through the pet companion that I already had hooked up that the pet was working, but the monitor had issues. So if you may have seen the video of it smoking out and the diodes going and such. You might have. Anyway, so since then, Rudy's agreed to have a look at this. And I thought, okay, that's great. That'll be dandy. Absolutely wonderful. Because I don't like monitors. And I really didn't want to, run into trouble. So I've unplugged the monitor from the power so it can't, do anything else bad. And I thought, great. I turned the machine on to make sure it still worked. And yes, out of the 1702 monitor through the pet companion appeared the screen. Then I heard this other noise. I was like, what is this? And then I saw more smoke. And I quickly hit the power bar button. And I don't know from where the smoke was coming. I don't. But I think the machine is still working. I think. So, Rudy suggested I take the board out and try it in another machine. And I think I will. So I have been to the pet room. And I have found a suitable pet. I'm going to go get it and bring it in here and see what's what. So hang on there. I have it all ready. The way is clear. I've urged Penny to be out of the way. We'll see how that goes. Just give me a moment. Okay, Penny. 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 Hello, Penny. Okay, Penny. I need to move a pet, and you are not the pet that I need to move. Hold on, Penny. Okay. Penny. Okay. Penny. Okay, so Penny's now got herself on. Oh, there's Penny. Okay, thank you, Penny. Thank you, Penny. So the way is clear. Nothing can go wrong. I have a pet selected. It too is a small screen pet. All right. Okay, we're going up on the shoulder. Up on the shoulder. Oh. Oh. Up. Ow, ow, ow. Up on the shoulder. Okay. Penny, whatever you do, don't be under my feet. Don't be under my feet, Penny. Oh, Penny, I see you. Penny, don't be under my feet. Don't be under my feet. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All right. There's a little step here. A little step here. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay. Whew. All right. All right. Oh. Gently. Gently. All right. Some of you may remember this machine. It's pet number 5. Okay. So I have pet. The smoky pet is absolutely unplugged. And I should, to make sure nothing happens here, I should get the cord and wrap it around the top of the monitor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I should pull out the pet companion. I should. There we go. Okay, the pet companion is out. Okay, the power switch on pet number 5 is turned off. Let's just make sure we're okay here. Okay. So we have power. We have power. Oh yeah. We have the power. All right, so just before, as the top is open, let me look inside. There is a note here. Oh, this is the 4016 that Commodore butchered. What do we got here? Screen RAM chips desoldered, sockets installed. Still works. Keyboard needs cleaning. For maker grade test machine, and major chips were desoldered and socketed. Clean IEEE port did not work, but after a bit of massaging, the 4040 responded. Okay, so that is good. All right, we're going to turn this on. It's been a while since it's been turned on. I don't think I ever did the keyboard. Okay, it comes up. It has its 16K. Oh, the shift lock is down. Oh yeah. The keyboard does need cleaning. Oh well, that's not a great thing. Hard to find just one thing that would be fine. It would be. Anyway, it's not smoking. That's a good thing. A very good thing. So, let's see now. These pet things, they like to fall over if you open them up wide. I don't want to open them up wide without having something behind them. Okay. There we go. I can still smell something going on in here. Very strange how this came about. Very strange indeed. All right, now I think what I need is, even though I've got lights in here, I need more lights. More lights. Okay. So here's a little light that should help me see inside of this. Now to me, it does look like a great big capacitor has been replaced. It does. It does. It does. Oh my. There's a curious thing in here. It's a little... Oh, I guess that might... I don't know what this is for. There's just a little piece of wire. It's orange. It's not connected to anything. It's just there. And I'm not sure why. I'm really not. So, I'm thinking I am going to get this board. Oh, this is going to be more complicated than I thought. Because there is the reset switch. Oh, yeah. Well, let's see here. Oh, hello, Penny. Hello, Penny. Penny, are you coming up? Penny, are you coming up? Are you coming up to say hello? Penny. Penny. Oh, man. You know what I've seen here? Oh, man. Okay. The power wire, or the two wires that run upstairs, the insulation is burned off. They're like shorted out. That's probably what was doing it this last time. Oh, my. This is not good. It's not good, is it, Penny? Penny, are you going to come up and say hello? Penny! All right, let's see now. So we have this reset switch. Now how is it attached? Oh, golly. Now there's also a connection here, wrapped in tape. Ugh. Okay, you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to stop this. I'm going to bring this over here and let you see inside what's going on. Have a lovely day. We'll see you again. Bye for now.